Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already started the chapter number 5 and we have already discussed about the exercise 5.1's concept, right? So today we will be doing the questions of exercise 5.1. So let's start with the very first question. What is the first question of exercise 5.1? What is the first question, students? Find the complement of each of the following angles. So students, basically we have to find out the complement of the angles, right? The angle given is 20 degree, right? So we have to find the complement of 20 degree. Okay students, so let's find out the complement of 20 degree. First of all students, what do you mean by complementary angles? So students, the sum of the measures of two angles is equals to 90 degree. Those two angles are called complementary angles. Okay students, so firstly what do you mean by complementary angles? The sum of measures of two angles when equals to 90 degree, then students, the angles are called complementary angles. Okay students, complementary angles. Okay, so have a look students, the sum of the measures of two angles when equals to 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angles. Okay students, so basically whenever you are given an angle, okay, and you are asked to find out the complement of that angle, then what you need to do? You have to subtract that angle from 90 degree. Okay students, so what will we do? We'll subtract this 20 degree from 90 degree. Okay students, so let's do it now. So now students, how you find out the complementary angle of this 20 degree? You will subtract this 20 degree from 90 degree. Okay students, so we'll subtract 90 degree and 20 degree and the result is 70 degree. So this 70 degree is the complementary angle of this 20 degree. Okay students, so this is your complementary angle of 20 degree. Okay students, having a look at the another part. What is that part students? Find the complement of each of the following angles. You have to find out the complement of angle 65 degree. So students, what do you mean by complementary angles? The angles, the sum of the two angles when equals to 90 degree is complementary angles. So if one of the complementary angle is 65 degree, then the another one is 90 degree minus 65 degree. Okay students, and its measure is 25 degree. Okay students, so the complementary angle of this 65 degree is 25 degree. Okay students, having a look at the another part. What is that part students? So now this angle is 57 degree. You have to find out the complement angle of 57 degree. Okay, what will be doing? Will be subtracting 90 degree and this 57 degree. 90 degree minus 57 degree is equals to 33 degree, and this 33 is the complement of 57 degree. Okay students, so this is complement of 57 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 57 degree is equals to 33 degree. Okay students, having a look at the another part. What is that part students? That is 105 degree. But now we have to find out the supplement. Okay students, we have to find out the supplement. What do you mean by supplementary angle students? The sum of the measures of two angles when equal to 180 degree is equal to supplementary angles. Okay, so those angles whose sum is equals to 180 degree, those angles are called supplementary angles. Okay students, let's write it. Supplementary angles are those angles whose sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. Okay students, have a look. So supplementary angles are those angles whose sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree. Okay students, so now this is the 105 degree angle and we have to find out the supplementary angle of this angle. Okay, so supplement, so students, supplement of 105 is equals to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So the answer is, students, what is the answer? Your answer is 75 degree. Okay students, so 75 degree is the supplement of the angle 105 degree. Okay students, we'll see the next question now. What is the next question students? Find the supplement of each of the following angles. What angle? 87 degree. So we have to find out the supplementary angle of 87 degree. Okay students, so what is the supplement of 87 degree? That is equals to 180 degree minus 87 degree. Okay students, so supplement of 87 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 87 degree. Okay, what will be the result? That will be equals to 93. Okay students, this is your result. Okay, and you need to write out a thing also, the sum of measures of angle of supplementary angles is 180 degree. Okay, to prove this step. Okay students, so the supplement of 87 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 87 degree, that is equals to 93 degree. Okay, and you will write that the sum of the angles of the supplementary angles is 180 degree. Okay students, now we will be looking at the next part. What is the next part students? Have a look. Now you have to find out the supplement of this angle. Okay, what is that angle? The angle is 154 degree. Okay, so we need to find out the supplement of 154 degree. Okay students, so supplement of 154 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 154 degree, that is equals to 36 degree. Okay students, this is the supplementary angle of 154 degree. Okay students, and you need to write out that particular line, that the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree, then those angles are called supplementary angles. Okay students, now we'll be looking at the another question, that is question number 3. Have a look students, what is the question 3? Identify which of the following pairs of the angles are complementary angles and which are supplementary angles. Okay students, so we need to find out the complementary angles and the supplementary angles. Okay, how will you find out this thing, that which angle is complementary and which angle is supplementary? Just tell me. When the sum of the two angles is equals to 90 degree, then those two angles are called complementary angles, and when the sum of the angles is equals to 180 degree, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. Alright students, so we'll be starting from the first part. What is the first part? 65 degree and 115 degree students. So the sum of these two angles, that is 65 degree and 115 degree students. What is the sum of these two angles students? Very clearly given to you, it is equals to 180 degree, and if the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree, then it means that those two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay students, then this is what? Supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles. Okay, and students, you also need to write this thing, that when the measure of the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay students, now what is the second part? 63 degree and 27 degree. Okay students, this is the first part. Now the second part, 63 degree plus 27 degree. The sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degree. So when the sum of any two angles is equals to 90 degree, then it means that those angles are called complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. Okay students, do remember that when you are solving these questions, you need to write out this thing. Okay, what thing? The line. Which line? That the sum of two angles when equal to 90 degree, then those two angles are called complementary angles, and when the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, so you need to write that thing. Okay students, looking at the third part students, this is 112 degree and 68 degree, and what is the sum of these two angles students? What is the sum of these two angles? 112 degree and 68 degree. So 112 degree plus 68 degree is equals to 180 degree, right? So when the sum of any two angles is equals to 180 degree, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay students, so this is supplementary angles. Okay students, now looking at the next part, what is the next part students? 130 degree and 50 degree. So we'll do the sum of these two angles, 130 degree and 50 degree. Okay students, so this fourth part, 130 degree and 50 degree. So 130 degree plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. So this 180 degree, it means that these are supplementary angles. Okay students, why supplementary angles? Because the sum of the two angles when equal to 180 degree, then it means that those two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay students, so this is supplementary angles. Okay, now students, looking at the fifth part, what is the fifth part students? 45 degree and 45 degree. What is the sum of these two degrees? Okay, these two angles. Okay, 45 degree and 45 degree. The sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degree. Clearly, when the sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree, then those two angles are called complementary angles. Okay students, so these are complementary angles, right? Now looking at the sixth part students, what is the sixth part? The angles given are 80 degree and 10 degree. 80 degree and 10 degree. The sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degree, and when the sum of any two angles is equals to 90 degree, then it means that these two angles are complementary angles. Okay students, so what is this angle? This is the complementary angle. Complementary angles. Okay, now we'll be looking at another question. What is the next question students? Question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Okay students, so in this question you need to find out the angle which is equal to its complement. Okay students, complementary angles are the angles like the sum of those two angles should be equal to 90 degree. Okay students, then it means that they should be equal to each other. The complement of these two angles should be equal to each other. Okay students, so firstly let us assume that angle, okay, is, let us assume that the angle is x degrees. Okay students, let us assume that the angle is x degree. So what is its complement students? So its complement is equals to, what is its complement students? 90 degree minus x, okay. So it is equals to 90 degree minus x, okay students. The angle is x and its complement is 90 degree minus x, right students. And what is the condition? You have to find out the angle which is equal to its complement. So basically according to the question, this angle and its complement should be equal to each other, okay students. So according to the question, the angle should be equal to its complement, okay. So it means that this x degree is equals to 90 degree minus x, okay. This is the required condition students, and by this condition you will find out the angle which is equals to its complement, okay. Have a look students, 90 degree minus x is equals to x, right. So you have to transpose this x to the left hand side, okay. To solve this question, we have to separate the variable, right. This is the thing that we have discussed in the 4th chapter, okay. So what we'll be doing students, will be transposing this x to the left hand side by making it plus x, okay students. So x plus x is equals to 90 degree, okay students. Now x plus x is equals to 2x students. X plus x is 2x, 2x is equals to 90 degree students. Now you can clearly see that 2 is in the multiplication with the variable. So if you need to find out the value of x, then you need to separate the 2 from the x. So we'll divide by 2 on both the sides. So in this step students, will be dividing by 2 on both the sides, right. 2 will be cut out because 2 and 2 are in the numerator and the denominator, right. So students, this is x and this x is equals to 90 degree upon 2. Students, 90 degree upon 2 is equals to 45 degree, okay students, as 45 degree into 2 is equals to 90 degree, okay students. So it means that we have found the angle which is equal to its complement. So the angle is, so the angle is 45 degree, okay students. So the angle is 45 degree, okay students. So what we have done in this question students, we have assumed that angle is x degree, right. So we have now assumed that the complement of that x degree is equals to 90 minus x degree. Now in the question it is clear that we need to find the angle which is equal to its complement. That means that x should be equal to 90 minus x, right. And after that we have transposed this x to the left hand side and it became 2x is equals to 90 degree. Now we have divided by 2 on both the sides to separate the variable, right. So it became 2x upon 2 is equals to 90 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancelled out each other. What is left? X is left. X is equals to 90 degree upon 2, that is equals to 45 degree, right. This is the question, okay. Now we can also check how. Have a look students. If the angle is 45 degree, then its complement should be 90 degree minus 45 degree, right. 90 degree minus 45 is equals to 45, is, okay students. So this is the angle itself, okay. And 90 degree minus 45 degree is equals to 45 degree, which is its complement, okay students. So 45 is equals to 45, this is what is asked in the question, the angle which is equal to its complement. So 45 degree is equals to 45 degree. So this was the required condition students, okay. So now we'll be discussing the next question. What is the next question students? The 5th question, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. The similar question that we have done now students, this is the same question, okay. Now we have to find out the angle that is equal to its supplement, okay. So firstly, let's assume the angle be x. So we have assumed that angle to be x, right. So firstly we have to find out the supplement, okay. So the supplement, so its supplement is equals to, so what is the supplement of x students? Supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is equals to 180 degree. So the supplement of x is equals to 180 degree minus x, okay students. So it is 180 degree minus x. This is the supplement, okay, and this is the angle itself. So according to the condition, students, according to the question, we are given that we have to find out the angle which is equal to its supplement. So the angle should be equal to its supplement, that is 180 degree minus x, okay students. Now this is x and which is equal to 180 degree minus x. So you have to transpose this x from RHS to LHS by making it plus x, okay students. So x plus x is equals to 180 degree, right? X plus x is equals to 2x, students. This 2x is equals to 180 degree, 180 degree, okay. 2x is equals to 180 degree, right? So 2 is in the multiplication with the variable. So if you want to solve the x, then you need to divide 2 from both the sides, right? 2 and 2 will cancel out each other, students. What is left? X is left. This x is equals to 180 degree upon 2. 180 degree upon 2 is equals to 90 degree, students. So the angle is equals to 90 degree, okay students. This is the angle that we have assumed, okay. Now students, tell me the supplementary angle of this 90 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 90 and it is equals to 90. So if the angle is 90 itself and if the supplementary is 90, then it means that the question is satisfied. It is asked from us, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Angle is 90 degree and its supplement is also 90 degree, then it means that the angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degree, okay students. So what we have done in this question, students, have a look. We have assumed that angle to be x, right? So after assuming that angle to be x, students, we have written a thing that the supplement of that angle is 180 degree minus x, okay students. In the condition, it is given to us that we need to find the angle which is equal to its supplement. That means that that x is equals to 180 degree minus x. Have a look, students, from this part, x is equals to 180 degree minus x, okay. So now students, we have transposed this minus x from the right hand side to the left hand side and it became 2x, okay students. So now 2x is equals to 180 degree. Now students, 2 is in the multiplication with the variable. So if you need to find out the variable, then you need to separate the variable from any kind of constant. Then it means that you need to divide by the variable 2, okay. You need to divide the variable by 2. So basically students, what we did, we divided by 2 with the variable. So 2x upon 2 is equals to 180 degree upon 2. So x is equals to 90 degree. That 90 degree is the angle and what is its supplement? Its supplement is equals to 90 degree. So this was your fifth question. Having a look at the sixth question, students, what is the sixth question? In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, okay students. So angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, okay. What are the supplementary angles, students? The angles whose sum is equals to 180 degree are supplementary angles, okay. So we are given that 1 and 2 are supplementary angles, okay, according to this question. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary, okay students. So what is given over here? If we are decreasing this angle, okay, if angle 1 is decreased, then what changes should be brought to angle 2 so that they still remain supplementary angles, students, okay. So we will increase angle 2, okay students, so that they should remain supplementary angles. So what will we do? So we will increase angle 2 such that it balances the condition of decrease and so they will remain supplementary. Have a look students what we did. It is written over here that so will increase angle 2 such that it balances the condition of decrease and so they'll remain supplementary. Okay students, आप इस तरह से ध्यान दीजिए कि अगर आपने 1 kg ऑरेंज लिया और 1 kg बनाना लिया, ओके, उस कंडीशन में आपने टोटल कितना लिया 2 kg. अब हम आपको बोल रहे हैं कि आपको लेने 2 kg फ्रूट्स ही हैं, ओके, लेने 2 kg फ्रूट्स ही हैं, बट अब आपको ऑरेंजेस हाफ kg मिलेंगे. तो अगर हमें लेने 2 kgs हैं, ऑरेंजेस सिर्फ और सिर्फ हाफ kg बचे हैं, तो हमें बनानास कितने लेने होंगे 1.5 kg. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, in the similar way we have discussed this thing that if you want that these two angles should remain supplementary, we need to increase that angle 2 such that the decrease is overcome. Okay students, so today we have discussed about the 6 questions of exercise 5.1. So in the next class students will be discussing and practicing your next question of the same exercise, that is exercise 5.1. Okay students, till then you should practice at your home. All right, so have a nice day all of you. Bye bye.